Hello, hello, Facebook friends. How's it going today? I am jumping on here because I just got a wonderful happy box on my porch. And I think it's fun when we unbox my monthly wellness box together. And you guys can see all the goodies that I get. And I'm trying some new stuff this month, so I'm really, really excited about that. So let's just dive in and get into the big Young Living Awesome box. A lot of times people think that Young Living is just essential oils, and I love to show all the stuff they have. So this month I got some Ninja Nitro. This is super awesome. It's like a natural energy booster, or good for cognitive alertness, clarity, endurance. I know I have a lot of friends that use them when they exercise or run. I honestly use these more just when I'm having a day where I need a little bit more energy or a little bit more focus. Super busy some days, and these really help me just to get through and feel good. And the nice part is that, you know, a lot of people use those energy drinks that have a lot of yucky, not so great stuff in them. And these have the Ninja Wolfberry in them and are kind of fueled with a lot of vitamins and good stuff in them, and some essential oils. So super great. If you've never tried the Ninja Nitro, they're just these little tubes. You can just put it in your mouth and squeeze them. I know a lot of people who run say they really boost their performance, and they're natural. So how cool is that? So I get those, just to help me get through life. I'm not an athlete. Wish I was. These are just for me for life. And then I got 2 thieves cleaners. Okay, one of these was free just for ordering a certain amount, which is super cool. And then the other one was for a friend who wanted to try this. Hey Beth, I am always telling everybody about the thieves cleaner because it is super awesome, plant-based, has the power of the Thieves Blend essential oils, which smells like Christmas. It smells so good. And it's so natural that there's no poison control label, so you don't even have to worry about locking under your sink, and you can use it for everything from toilets to windows to floors to counters. I use it literally for all my cleaning. And it comes in a super concentrated bottle. So this bottle, you just use 1 little capful, and you can fill up a spray bottle with it with water, 1 capful for a bucket of water. So this actually makes, I don't even know how many, but it lasts for a really long time. Usually mine lasts me about 6 months, this size bottle. So one I got free, which is awesome because mine is almost out. And one was for a friend who's ready to try to kick the chemicals to the curb. She's going to get rid of some of those nasty toxic chemicals that you can't breathe when you're cleaning with, or you don't want your kids to help you with. Another free thing I got this month was the Thieves dish soap, and I am super excited to try this. I have tried some other natural brands of dish soap, and I've never tried the Thieves one, so I'm really excited to try it. But even some of the natural ones that you can get at the grocery store still have sodium lauryl sulfates in them, which I don't understand because they claim they're natural, and then they've got these cheap foaming sudsy agents in them. So I'm excited to try this and review it and see what I think. But next that I got, and that was also free just because I ordered a certain amount this month. I love how generous Young Living is. They always give away lots of free goodies. I got an awesome Thieves glass bottle that they gave free with your free Thieves cleaner. So I have one, just a plastic bottle that I've been using, but how pretty is this, right? And they gave me this as a gift this month. So I'm excited to use that. I got some fancy bubble wrap. This is something I get every month. So if you've unboxed with me before, you've probably seen me share about Sleep Essence. This one is always my husband's favorite. It's a natural supplement, and it helps you get a good night's rest without feeling that yucky feeling of tired rundownness in the morning that you can feel with some over-the-counter sleep aids. It has valerian and lavender and vetiver, which is one of my favorite oils for relaxation. Super awesome. He swears by it. He even tells his friends at work. I love it. Next, okay, so this is, let me go through the oils and then I'll talk about my favorite new thing that I got. But let me go through the oils that I got. I got Citrus Fresh as a freebie this month. Citrus Fresh is super awesome for purifying the air in the diffuser. If you've maybe cooked some fish or some bacon and your house is kind of stinky, it's great in there. It's also great in your water. It's a bunch of citrus oils with spearmint, and it tastes really yummy in your water for flavoring. We got Hope Oil Free, which this is one of my favorites, and my bottle is almost out. So I'm super excited that I got a free one to kind of replace. I've been learning a lot about emotional support and oils and just how our brain works with smells and emotions. And I've been really enjoying pairing oils with either positive affirmations or prayers. And obviously hope is an awesome thing to have, right? And then Lemon Vitality. So this was another freebie by Young Living this month, which is awesome. I did order one other thing that is actually coming in a separate box that I can't show you, but I ordered some bottles of Ninja Red. They're super antioxidant drink, and I can't wait to get them because I've gone a couple months without them, and I can certainly tell. I wish I could show you, but they make Ninja Red. It's a super antioxidant drink, and it comes in like 2 wine bottles, and it's so funny because we always, you need like 1 to 2 ounces a day, and we've got a little shot glass that I use, and I'm always like, I wonder if my neighbors think I'm like doing shots in the morning when I go to drink my healthy Ninja Red. But this is what I'm most excited about this month that I got. I got some more Savvy makeup and Savvy brushes. If you're not familiar with Savvy makeup, it's mineral makeup from Young Living. They just started carrying it. I don't know. It was a few months ago. But I always see tutorials online. I don't know if you guys do too, but of people doing makeup. I know makeup's really huge and I love watching people do it, but what makes me sad is that so many people are selling makeup from companies that have tons of toxic chemicals in them, and you're putting it on your face. And so that's one of the things that I really love about Savvy makeup is it's has no talc, no parabens, no petrochemicals, no synthetic fragrances, no synthetic dyes, no gluten, no mineral oil, no nanoparticles, no metals, no bismuth, and no soy, and no sulfolates. I can never say that word, so if I'm saying it wrong. And, you know, there's been a couple makeup companies that I've bought from, and I thought they were kind of natural because they kind of say they are. And then I've gone and looked at the ingredients, and I've been like, wait a minute, there's talc in here, and that's not really the best for you. So I was so excited when Young Living came out with Savvy makeup, and I feel really good about using it because I know that none of that junk that I just listed is in there, and it's beautiful. So I'm super excited. A group or some people from my upline team are doing like a makeup video thing where they're teaching us about using Savvy and doing eye makeup. And I've never been an expert makeup person, so I'm really excited to see what they're going to teach. So I ended up buying Multitasker, which is a really dark, like kind of brownish color. And it's all from minerals, so it's natural, more natural colors. But then I got the eyeliner brush because I'm excited to learn. I've never been an eyeliner wearer, and I'm excited to learn how to use mineral makeup and eyeliner. So I've got the awesome brush and the Multitasker, and that you can use for eyebrows to fill in your eyebrows. You can use it wet for eyeliner, and you can even use it for eyeshadow if you need a dark, like smoky eye kind of color. And then I got a new blush. You guys can't really see the color, but this one's called I Do Believe You're Blushin'. It's kind of like a light pinkish color, and I'm excited about that because I usually do bronzer here, and then I like to do a little blush up here, and I haven't tried their blush yet, so I'm excited about that. And then for the when they were gonna do the eye Zoom call class thing, they wanted us to have a light, a medium, and a dark eyeshadow. And so I have a light and a dark, and I ordered a medium, and this one's called Best Kept Secret, and it's kind of like a pinky peach color. So yeah, I love Savvy Mineral makeup. I love knowing that I'm not putting chemicals or synthetic fragrances and toxins on my face. And you guys, if you're into natural health and natural living, sometimes makeup is like the last thing that people consider changing out. And it's also hard to find natural makeup. Like I said, I've tried a couple brands that people have told me are natural, and then I go and Google the thanks, Abby. I go and Google the ingredients, and then there's talc and like things in there that I don't want to be putting on my face. So really do your research, and don't just trust just because somebody says that a makeup is mostly natural. A lot of times they're not, but Savvy Mineral makeup is. So the last thing I bought that I'm so excited about is the brushes. And I have used mineral makeup in the past, so I did have some old brushes, but everyone kept telling me that Young Living's brushes were amazing for makeup application with their Savvy. And so, I'm super excited. So I know you get a foundation brush and a blending brush, eyeshadow brush, blush brush, all of this awesome little case. And oh my gosh, these feel amazing. So I can't wait to use my foundation and stuff with these brushes. So that is what I got this month, and I am so excited. I know I got the brushes. I waited a long time to get the brushes, and I am so excited that I finally did, because they do feel amazing. And I've heard from a lot of people that it just makes the application process a lot easier. And mineral makeup kind of has like a learning curve to it. If you've never used it before, or if you've been using some other kinds of makeup and you want to go natural and you're looking at mineral makeup, there's all kinds of cool YouTube videos to show you how to use it, because it's a little bit different than your standard makeup. So these brushes are going to help me be experts. Don't be surprised if you start seeing me do makeup tutorials and I'll be like, I'm doing it natural style here, folks. Join me. So anyway, that is my order. And yeah, just to say again what I got free from Young Living this month, I got these 3 free and 3 free oils. How awesome is that? It's like $150 or $160 of free stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed doing it. Yeah, I'll try to do tutorials, Abby. I got to watch some videos and learn myself, but I'm going to go pro on this makeup stuff, I tell you, on this natural makeup stuff, because I can feel good about sharing that. So anyway, guys, I hope you had fun opening my box with me. And if you have any questions about Young Living or everything that they have to offer, it's so much more than oils. It's everything you need to start living a more natural, toxin-free life for you and your family. Trust me, you feel a lot better when you get chemicals out of your house and you start using things that are plant-based and smell amazing and have amazing therapeutic grade essential oils in them. So I hope one day you'll join me if you haven't yet. All right, bye guys.